Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.com.
Good morning students. Now we are discussing vectors topic exercise 10.2. Okay, up to question number 9 we completed. Next question number 10. Find a vector in the direction of vector 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap which has a magnitude of 8 units. Now what we have to do? We have to find a vector in the direction of this given vector which has magnitude 8 units. Now here what we will do is, first of all, suppose I will consider this as a vector a bar. Okay, vector a bar. Now first of all I will find a unit vector in the direction of this vector. Okay, first of all I will find unit vector in the direction of this vector. Okay, so unit vector means its magnitude is what? 1 unit. Okay, now that unit vector, if you multiply with 8, unit vector multiply with 8 will get a vector of magnitude 8 units in the direction of given vector. I will repeat once again. Here question is to find a vector in the direction of this vector which has a magnitude 8 units. So what we will do? First of all, we will find a unit vector in the direction of this vector. Okay, suppose this is a bar. Unit vector in the direction of this vector is a bar by modulus of a bar. Okay, that is unit vector in the direction of given vector a bar. What is a bar by modulus of a bar? So we will get a unit vector in the direction of this vector. But what we need? We need a vector in the direction of this vector which has a magnitude 8 units. So unit vector means it is a vector of magnitude 1 unit. So multiply this unit vector by 8, will get a vector of magnitude 8 units. Okay, already unit vector is in the direction of this vector. No? So what will get? A vector in the direction of this vector which has a magnitude 8 units. So what we will do? We will find unit vector. After that we will multiply that unit vector by 8. Okay, now solution. Now we will consider this given vector as a bar. Okay, let a bar is equal to 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, a bar is equal to 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Now magnitude of a bar is equal to square root of, here I quotient is what? 5 square plus here j quotient minus 1 square plus k quotient 2 square. So square root of 5 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 2 square. So nothing but 25 plus 1 plus 4, total 30. So magnitude of a bar is what? Square root of 30. Magnitude of a bar is square root of 30. Okay. The unit vector in the direction of vector a bar is unit vector in the direction of vector a bar is a cap. We will denote unit vector by a cap. A cap is equal to a bar upon magnitude of a bar. Okay, so given vector divided by its magnitude. Okay, so given vector is what? 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap upon magnitude is what? Square root of 30. Okay, so a cap is equal to 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap upon square root of 30. Now what it is? It is a unit vector in the direction of given vector. Okay, so what we need? We need a vector in the direction of this vector which has a magnitude 8 units. which has a magnitude 8 units. So it is nothing but 8 a cap. Okay, divide the multiply unit vector by required magnitude. Okay, 2 units or 4 units, 8 units. Okay, so 8 a cap is equal to 8 into what is a cap? A cap is 5 I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap upon square root of 30. Okay, so what we get if we multiply 8 inside? So 40 I cap minus 8j cap plus 16k cap upon square root of 30. So required vector is what? 40 by square root of 30 I cap minus 8 by square root of 30 j cap plus 16 by square root of 30 k cap. Okay, here what we did to find a vector of magnitude 8 units in the direction of this vector. So first of all, in this direction find out unit vector. Unit vector is nothing but vector divided by its magnitude. Okay, this is the unit vector in the direction of given vector. Okay, so we need a vector in the direction of given vector which has magnitude 8 units. Okay, unit vector magnitude is 1 unit. So multiply this vector by 8, will get a vector which has magnitude 8 units in the direction of this vector. Okay, next question, question number 11. Show that the vectors 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap and minus 4i cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap are collinear vectors. We have to show that these two vectors are collinear. But two vectors are collinear vectors if one vector is some scalar multiple of other vector, that is one way, or else corresponding components are in the same ratio. Corresponding components are in the same ratio. Okay, so what are the two given vectors? 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. I will consider it as a bar, and second vector as b bar. B bar is equal to minus 4i cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap. Okay, if you take minus, here every term is multiple of 2, so I will take minus 2 common. If you take minus 2 common, minus 2 into what we can write, 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, so minus 4 what we can write, minus 2 into 2, so minus 2 common. Okay, 6 what we can write, minus 2 into minus 3, minus 2 common, so minus 3j. Okay, minus 8 what we can write, minus 2 into 4, minus 2 common, 4k. Now, but this is nothing but a bar only, no? So b bar is equal to minus 2 times of a bar. B bar is equal to minus 2 times of a bar. Okay, so one vector is some scalar multiple of other vector. B bar is equal to minus 2 times of a bar, nothing but one vector is equal to some scalar multiple of other vector. Okay, one vector is some scalar multiple of other vector. Okay, so these two vectors are collinear vectors. So a bar and b bar are collinear vectors. Okay, like this you can write, or else you can write like this also. If you observe, corresponding components are in the same ratio or not. I component is what? 2 by, here I component minus 4, 2 by minus 4, minus 1 by 2. Okay, here j component minus 3 by 6, minus 1 by 2. K component 4 by minus 8, minus 1 by 2. So I component ratio, j component ratio, k component ratio are all equal. Okay, corresponding components are in the same ratio. Okay, 2 by minus 4, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 6, minus 1 by 2, 4 by minus 8, minus 1 by 2. So these two vectors, given two vectors a bar and b bar are collinear vectors. If one vector is some scalar multiple of other vector, then two vectors are collinear vectors. Okay, next question. Question number 12. Find the direction cosines of the vector I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Find direction cosines of the vector I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Direction cosines. Direction cosines, nothing but cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma we have to find. What is cos alpha? If vector is r bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay, already we discussed this. Anyhow, I will repeat. If a vector is r bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, then cos alpha is x by square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, cos beta is y by square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, cos gamma is z by square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, or else you write unit vector. Okay, now I quotient, j quotient and k quotient are direction cosines, like that also you can do. Okay, now what is given vector? A bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So magnitude of A bar is square root of I component is how much? 1 square plus 2 square plus k component is 3 square. So how much it is? Square root of 1 plus 4 plus 9, 10 plus 4 14, square root of 14. Okay, so unit vector what we get? Unit vector is vector divided by its magnitude. So unit vector is A bar by magnitude of A bar. So what is A bar? I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap upon magnitude of A bar is what? Root 14. So nothing but 1 by root 14 I cap plus 2 by root 14 j cap plus 3 by root 14 k cap. Okay, means the direction cosines are what? Direction cosines are cos alpha is 1 by root 14, cos beta is 2 by root 14 and cos gamma is 3 by root 14. Okay, and to write direction cosines, one way you can write is, suppose r bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay, vector r bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, then direction cosines are cos alpha is equal to x by square root of x square plus y square plus z square, cos beta is equal to y by square root of x square plus y square plus z square, and cos gamma is equal to z by square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, or else you find unit vector. Okay, corresponding components are direction cosines. Okay, here what we did, A cap is equal to what we got? A bar by magnitude of A bar, that is 1 by root 14 I cap plus 2 by root 14 j cap plus 3 by root 14 k cap. Okay, so corresponding direction cosines are 1 by root 14, 2 by root 14 and 3 by square root of 14. Okay, next question number 13. Find the direction cosines of the vector joining the points directed from A to B. Okay, find direction cosines of the vector joining the points A 1 2 minus 3 and B order triplet minus 1 minus 2 1. Okay, directed from A to B. Directed from A to B. And these are the points. A is a point, B is a point. So I will consider position vector of A as OA bar. So this is position vector of A. Okay, position vector of A with respect to origin. OA bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Okay, and position vector OB bar is equal to minus I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay, with the position vector of the point A and B respectively. Okay, now 2 points given. Okay, 2 points given. So first of all, point A is A 1 comma 2 comma minus 3. Point B is minus 1 comma minus 2 comma 1. Okay, so position vector of point A, OA bar, is I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap, and OB bar is minus I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay, now I have to find direction cosines of the vector joining these 2 points directed from A to B, means vector AB bar we have to find. Okay, so vector AB bar, what we can write is OB bar minus OA bar. Okay, vector AB bar is OB bar minus OA bar. Okay, head minus tail, head minus tail. Okay, so AB bar is OB bar minus OA bar. Suppose PQ bar means OQ bar minus OP bar will write. Okay, so AB bar is OB bar minus OA bar. Okay, so what is OB bar? OB bar is minus I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, minus what is OA bar? I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Okay, so minus I cap minus I cap. Minus I cap minus I cap is what? Minus 2I cap. Okay, minus 2j cap minus 2j cap. Minus 2j cap plus minus 2j cap is minus 4j cap. Okay, so k cap minus of minus plus 3k cap. Total how much? 4k cap. So AB bar is equal to what we got? AB bar is equal to minus 2I cap minus 4j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, now magnitude of A bar. Magnitude of A bar is what? Magnitude of A bar is square root of minus 2 square plus minus 4 square plus 4 square. So how much it is? 4, 16, 16. Okay, 16 plus 16, 32 plus 4, 36. Square root of 36 is what? 6. Okay. Now unit vector a cap is equal to what will write? AB bar by magnitude of AB bar. AB bar by magnitude of AB bar. What is AB bar? Minus 2i cap minus 4j cap plus 4k cap upon magnitude of AB bar is 6. Okay. So minus 2i cap minus 4j cap plus 4k cap upon 6. Okay. So direction cosines of AB are direction cosines. What will get? This is a unit vector. Direction cosines is nothing but quotient of I cap, quotient of j cap and quotient of k cap. Okay. So I cap quotient is what? Minus 2 by 6. J cap quotient minus 4 by 6 and k cap quotient 4 by 6. These are direction cosines. If you divide 2 numerator denominator, okay, if you cancel out 2, so what we get? Minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. So direction cosines of AB are what we got? Minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. These are the direction cosines. Okay. Now here 2 points given, A bar and point A and point B. Now we have to find direction cosines of the vector joining these 2 points directed from A to B. Means you have to find first of all vector AB bar we have to find. Okay, vector AB bar. So AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar. Okay, this is OA bar, OB bar, but this is points. Now these are corresponding position vectors, OA bar and OB bar. So AB bar is OB bar minus OA bar. What we got? AB bar is equal to minus 2i cap minus 4j cap plus 4k cap. Okay. So magnitude of AB bar, how much we got? 6. Okay. A unit vector. Otherwise, one thing you can do is suppose a vector is given, R bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Then direction cosines are x by square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. Cos beta is y by square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. Cos gamma is z by square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Like that also you can find, or you find unit vector like this and corresponding I component, j component, k component are direction cosines. So what we got here? Direction cosines minus 2 by 6, minus 4 by 6 and 4 by 6, nothing but minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Okay. Next question, question number 14. Question number 14. Show that vector I cap plus j cap plus k cap is equally inclined to the axis OX, OY and OZ. Means we have to show that a vector is equally inclined, means it makes equal angle with x axis, y axis and z axis. Okay, it makes equal angle with x axis, y axis and z axis. Okay. Now alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by the vector with x axis, y axis, z axis. Then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are corresponding direction cosines. Okay. Now what is given vector? Given vector is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So magnitude of A bar is how much? Square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is the square root of 3. So unit vector in the direction of vector A bar. Unit vector in the direction of vector A bar, that is A cap is equal to A bar by magnitude of A bar. A bar by magnitude of A bar. Nothing but A bar is what? I cap plus j cap plus k cap upon magnitude of A bar is square root of 3. Okay. So 1 by root 3 I cap plus 1 by root 3 j cap plus 1 by root 3 k cap. Okay. But here cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are what? 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Okay. That is what it is written here. If A bar makes angles alpha, beta, gamma with x axis, y axis and z axis respectively, then what we have? Cos alpha is equal to 1 by root 3, cos beta is equal to 1 by root 3, cos gamma is equal to 1 by root 3. So alpha is equal to how much? Cos inverse of 1 by root 3. Beta is equal to how much? Cos inverse of 1 by root 3. Gamma is equal to what? Cos inverse of 1 by root 3. So alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 3. Okay. So hence given vector A bar makes equally inclined with OX, OY and OZ. Okay. Line vector makes equal angle with the x axis, y axis and z axis respectively. Okay. Next question. Find position vector of a point R which divides line joining 2 points P and Q P and Q whose position vectors are I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap and minus I cap plus j cap and k cap in the ratio 2:1 internally and externally. Now what is given here? Position vector, we have to find position vector of point R which divides line joining these 2 points whose position vectors are given, means OP bar given, this is OQ bar. What is OP bar? OP bar is I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap and OQ bar is minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap in the ratio 2:1 ratio internally and externally. Okay. Now, first of all, we'll discuss formula. After that, we'll solve the problem. Already we discussed. Anyhow, I'll repeat once again. The position vector of a point R, which divide the line segment joining P and Q in the ratio m:n. Position vector of a point R, which divides the line segment joining 2 points P and Q in the ratio m:n, is internally is mb bar plus na bar by m plus n. Okay, mb bar plus na bar by m plus n. Okay, externally is mb bar minus na bar by m minus n. Okay, internal division is this one and external division is in place of plus we'll write minus. Okay, position vector of a point which divide the line segment joining P and Q in the ratio m:n is mb bar plus na bar by m plus n internally and externally is mb bar minus na bar by m minus n. Okay. Now what is given for in this question? Given that OP bar is I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap and OQ bar is minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Okay, these two are given, OP bar and OQ bar. Now internally 2:1 ratio. Okay, internal division 2:1 ratio internally. So what we get, 2 times of OQ bar plus 1 time of OP bar upon 2 plus 1. Okay, OR bar is equal to position vector of point R, OR bar is equal to 2 OQ bar plus 1 OP bar upon 2 plus 1. So 2 into what is OQ bar? Minus I plus j plus k plus 1 into OP bar is what? I plus 2j minus k. So what we have? Minus 2i plus I, minus I, 2j plus 2j, 4j, 2k minus k, k by 3. So nothing but internal division vector is what? Minus 1 by 3 I cap plus 4 by 3 j cap plus 1 by 3 k cap. Okay. By internal division 2:1 ratio, OR bar is equal to 2 times of OQ bar plus 1 time of OP bar upon 2 plus 1. Okay. So after simplification we got OR bar, okay, position vector of point R, OR bar is equal to minus 1 by 3 I cap plus 4 by 3 j cap plus 1 by 3 k cap. Okay. Now second part, that is external division. In external division in place of plus you write minus, that's it. Okay. External division OR bar is equal to 2 times of OQ bar minus 1 time of OP bar upon 2 minus 1. Okay. So 2 into what is OQ bar? OQ bar is minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap minus OP bar is what? I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. So minus 2i minus I, minus 3i, 2j minus 2j, 0j. So 0 term is 0, j term is 0. So 2k cap plus k cap, total 3k cap. So what we have? Minus 3i cap plus 3k cap upon 2 minus 1 is 1 only, no? So external division, position vector of a point which divides these two vectors OP bar and OQ bar in 2:1 ratio externally is OR bar is equal to minus 3i cap plus 3k cap. Okay. I'll conclude up to here. We'll continue remaining problems in next class. Thank you.